And remember, friends, the party never ends at Willy's Wonderland.
I'm gonna feast on your face!
Let's play hide and seek. You'll never find me. I'm gonna eat your eyes out and then feast on your soul. You're as icy as an igloo. Happy day, you're getting warmer. You're as hot as a pancake on a griddle and just as yummy. Gorilla greetings.
Siempre a sus órdenes, señorita Liv. Qué lástima. ¿Estás buscando esta? Sucks to be you, chica. Por favor, no, por favor, no. Ay, qué chingada.
Hello, little boy. You don't have to be afraid of me. I'm not the same as the others. They're so mean to me. They call me ugly, and they make fun of my colorful skin. I'm trapped in this body. I just want to be free. I guess I don't expect you to believe me. I hope that you are different. It's true. Evil has kept me here. You must have questions. I can tell you so much about the other side. I can answer all your questions. If you can help me. Wanna play, bitch? Playtime's over now, girlfriend.
I've waited so long for a girl to play with. Want to see my treehouse? Oh. Come play with me. Wanna fuck, fatty? Hey, cowboy. Ready for a little menage a trois?
Lips, hands, fingers, legs and lips, legs and lips, and eyes and ears and mouth and hips. Hands, fingers, legs and lips, legs and lips.
Thanks for visiting Willy's Wonderland. Hope you had a fantabulous time.